In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a user to your Cloudflare account. Whether you're looking to collaborate with a colleague or need to give access to a team member, inviting a user to your Cloudflare account is a straightforward process. Let's get started and ensure your team can smoothly manage resources. To begin, head over to the Cloudflare website. Make sure you're using a compatible browser for the best experience, such as Google Chrome or Firefox. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. If you already have Cloudflare bookmarked, that's great. Simply open it and use your login credentials. Next, you'll click on the Continue with Google button. This option is especially handy if you've linked your Google account to your Cloudflare, streamlining the process. Convenient, isn't it? Once you've clicked that button, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the one linked to your Cloudflare to proceed. After logging in, direct your attention to the dashboard. Scroll down toward the end of the page until you find Manage Access. It's typically located in the Settings or Account Management section. Click on Manage Access and it will take you to the Members area where you can manage current users and invite new ones. Now let's proceed to invite a user. Look for the Invite button. It's usually quite prominent, making it easy to locate. Once you find it, click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of adding your new team member to the account. Next, you will need to provide their email address. Double check the email you enter to prevent mistakes. Sending an invitation to the wrong address could be a hassle. Once the email address is correctly input, click on Add. It's crucial at this point not to skip any of the confirmation pop-ups that might appear. They ensure you're on the right track. Now choose the domain you want to grant them access to. This step is vital as it defines the scope of their access, ensuring they can work on exactly what they need to. Next, select their role. Cloudflare offers several role options, so think about what level of access the user needs. Administrator roles have more control, while viewer roles are more restricted. Make a thoughtful choice based on their job needs. With all that set, click on Continue to Summary. This page is essentially a recap of the choices and permissions you've granted, so take a moment to verify everything. If all looks good, the last step is to hit Invite. There you go. A confirmation will appear, notifying you that the invitation has been sent. You've done it. You've successfully invited a user to your Cloudflare account. Now your team can efficiently work with the added user, all thanks to a few clicks. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps enhance your Cloudflare experience. See you next time.